So it should be pretty clear that by using custom formatters, we can capture configuration that we can reuse, and that can save us a lot of time. So this begets the question, is there a situation where using a custom formatter isn't a good idea? And the answer is that if you're going to be rewriting some content in a particular way just once, and you can do it using the views settings, then it may make sense to consolidate those rewriting rules into views instead of creating a separate custom formatter. The reason is that when the user goes in to edit the output, they can do so by simply going to views and editing it there. Instead of there being two places where we're modifying the output of content in views, there's just one. Also, you might add some additional overhead in terms of time by going over to the custom formatters configuration and editing it there, and then going back to views and setting it to use that formatter within views. However, you can also centralize on using custom formatters and say, whenever we do any rewriting at all, we're going to use a custom formatter for a particular site. By doing that, you capture the rewriting into reusable components, and you may find that as you build out the site, having those components be reusable ends up saving you time because you use them in ways that you didn't anticipate to begin with. Whereas if you did all of the rewriting directly in views, you wouldn't even have it as an option, so you might not see opportunities to reuse those formats.